China is changing. The roads are buzzing with a new kind of car. Electric vehicles are no longer a novelty. They are rapidly becoming the norm. The Chinese government has embraced electric vehicles as a solution to pollution. They have offered generous subsidies to buyers. This has made China the world's largest market for electric cars. The shift to electric is happening faster than anyone predicted. Established car makers and ambitious startups are battling for market share. The competition is fierce. It's a dynamic and exciting time for the auto industry in China. But not everyone is celebrating. The rapid rise of electric cars has created unexpected challenges, especially for the thousands of car dealers across the country. For decades, car dealers in China have operated in a predictable market. Gasoline-powered cars were king. Dealerships invested heavily in showrooms and trained mechanics. They built relationships with customers based on a familiar model. But the electric revolution has upended this model. Dealers are struggling to adapt. Many dealers are stuck with unsold inventory of gasoline-powered cars. Customers are increasingly drawn to the sleek electric models. This leaves dealers with depreciating assets and mounting financial pressure. Adding to their woes, electric cars require less maintenance. This translates to fewer service appointments and reduced revenue for dealerships. The traditional business model is under threat. The situation is particularly dire for dealers specializing in brands struggling to transition to electric. Neta, a Chinese electric vehicle startup, offers a cautionary tale. Dealers across China have reported significant financial losses. They accuse Neta of failing to deliver promised vehicles and subsidies. Some dealers have been forced to close their doors. Despite these challenges, some dealers are finding ways to survive. They are investing in training for their mechanics to service electric vehicles. They are adapting their showrooms to showcase the latest electric models. Some are even exploring partnerships with online platforms to reach a wider customer base. The transition to electric vehicles is a complex and challenging process. For car dealers in China, it represents an existential threat and an opportunity. Those who adapt quickly and embrace new technologies will be best positioned to thrive in this rapidly evolving market. The future belongs to those who can navigate the electric avenue. The Chinese government is aware of the challenges facing dealers. Policymakers are exploring ways to ease the transition, such as providing financial assistance and encouraging the development of new business models. The road ahead may be bumpy, but the destination is clear. Electric vehicles are the future of mobility in China, and the country's car dealers must adapt to survive.